Hello friends, my name is Pawan. In this video, we will implement the authentication filter in user microservice. So, first of all, we need to permit the login URL. So let's open the Joule microservice, and in Joule microservice, what here we did, we make permit all to the login URL and make it public. After that, I switching to the user microservice. I open this user microservice, and in user microservice we created one class that is authentication filter, which extend the username password authentication filter, which is coming from the org Spring Framework security web.authentication username password authentication filter. Let's create the constructor of authentication filter having the argument user service and the environment. This user service is coming from our user microservice. This user service is not belong to the Spring security. So let's check this. Okay, this user service coming from our com.example Spring security service. Okay, and most important thing is authentication manager. So let's add this argument and pass this authentication manager to the super authentication manager, and we are ready for this constructor. After that, we need to override one method. That method is attempt authentication method. Means whenever you are trying to log in, that time this method is triggered, and this method is responsible to trigger the load user by username method from the user service IMPL. This method. Okay, means we can say that attempt authentication method is responsible to call the load user by username method from the user service IMPL. And after that, create one login request model. So let me show you. This login request model contains email ID and password, and we will pass this value from the login page. And after that, just read this value from request.get input string and map to the login request model. So we already know the object mapper. We already studied in the previous video. Then this method will return the authentication manager dot authenticate username password authentication filter, and we will pass this username password. On this line, it will call the method load user by username, and here it will check this user is present or not. Okay, this is all about the authentication filter. Next part we will cover in the next video. Thank you.